Let's have fun with animals. Today we're gonna learn about different animals. Let's find giraffe. Where is giraffe? Here. Here we have giraffe. Giraffe. Let's find lion. Where is lion? Lion. Here is lion. Lion. Let's find elephant. Where is elephant? Is this elephant? No. Is this elephant? No. Is this elephant? This is not. Is this elephant? Yes. This is elephant. Let's now find tiger. Where is tiger? Is this tiger? No. Is this tiger? No. Is this tiger? Yes, this is. This is tiger. Let's find deer. Is this deer? No. Is this deer? No. Is this deer? Yes. This is deer. Let's find horse. Where is horse? Is this horse? No, no. This is not. Is this horse? No, this is not. Is this horse? Not even this one. Is this horse? Yes. This is horse. Now let's find donkey. Is this donkey? No. Is this donkey? Of course not. Is this donkey? Yes, this one is. This is donkey. Let's find dog now. Is this dog? No. Is this dog? Not even this one. Is this dog? Yes, you're right. This is dog. Now let's find monkey. Is this monkey? I don't think so. Is this monkey? No, this is not. Are these monkeys? Yes. These are monkeys. Now let's find cow. Here is cow. This is cow. Now we are left with zebra and camel. Zebra and camel. Which one is which? Is this zebra? Is this one camel? No, that's not right. This is zebra. This is zebra. And this is camel. This is camel. These are all the animals.